triangles. I have learned it with pipe cleaner on hands-on learning. You can also learn it with pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners come in different colors and are flexible. So, I want you to make a shape with 3 sides. And you would make it something like this. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. 3 corners. Does a triangle have a diagonal? A diagonal is a line from which one corner to another corner meet. A square has 2 diagonals. This line is a diagonal. This line is also a diagonal. A square has 2 diagonals. Coming back to a triangle. Is this the only type of triangle we have? No, we have 3 more types of triangles. Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle and scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is with no equal sides. Equilateral triangle is with all equal sides. Isosceles triangle is with 2 equal sides. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners and does not have a diagonal. There are 3 types of triangles: isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle and scalene triangle.
Now let us see more about triangles. A triangle can always be divided into 2 right triangles, irrespective of its orientation. Triangles are polygons with the least number of sides. There are no polygons with less than 3 sides. Many towers, buildings, and monuments are constructed in the shape of triangle to give them more stability and strength. Let us see few examples. Eiffel Tower. The world's famous Eiffel Tower is triangular in shape and has around 186 triangles in its structure. Egyptian pyramids. They have triangular faces. Bridges. They use triangular frames for stability. This is all about triangle. Hope you enjoyed the topic.
And you can also learn with pipe cleaners. Thank you.